Hi guys, one of my most popular videos is repairing a Poundland grabber. It's quite an old video now, but it still gets comments on it. People are interested in it and how it works and that sort of thing. So I'll put a link in the video description. In Poundland today, and I bought another one just on impulse. Now it's the blue one, is the Poundland one, for £1. Last time I bought one, which was quite a few years ago, it was a job to find one that wasn't already broken on the shelf, because they really were not very good quality. I don't know if this one's better quality or not. But having bought it, the next shop I went in is called CM3. That's Charlie Mike 3. And that's the silver one. And that was £1.99. I thought I'd give it a try and just sort of do some sort of a comparison. Now, these are sort of bottom of the market or cheapest possible that you're going to get. So I don't expect them to last all that long, depending on what you do with them. So what can we say? The blue one is some sort of metal tube with a blue plastic coating on it. The mechanism at both ends is plastic. What there will be a bit of braided wire, Bowden cable, I think you call it. Braided wire from top to bottom that links a lever there to a center point there, and when you squeeze the trigger, it pulls the wire along, which pulls the two grippers together. That one will be almost identical. There'll be a cable up the middle that'll pull on the lever there, that'll pull that finger up to there to grip it. So that one you've just got that piece moving, that one you've got both pieces moving. Other than that, same sort of thing. That appears to be aluminium. I doubt whether it's actually aluminium. It'd be some sort of alloy, lightweight. Again, plastic, plastic, plastic. That one's got a rubberized bit. The yellow bit is some sort of rubberized effect to increase the grip. Lengthwise, as you can see, they're both about the same. The Poundland one is marginally longer if you measure from end to end. You take it to there, that's 82 centimetres or 820 millimetres. If we take that one end to end, 76 centimetres or 760 millimetres. Gap across there. Oh, I'll do that in inches as well for those people who like inches. About 32 inches against 30 inches. Right, between there and there, about 3 inches there, or 80 millimetres, and that's about 3.5, just about 3.5, and 90 millimetres. What else can we do? We can try and lift something up with them, can't we? There's one item. Okay, some small items you might want to lift up. So a little bit too wide for that to try and lift. Oh, go back. I could lift it up by the cord. We'll try. It's not going to grip well enough to lift up that weight. Ah, there we go. Managed to lift it up that way. That's a reasonable bit of weight. And if I grip it right, I'm able to lift it up. Okay. Pick up the ball. If I get it in there, I can pick it up. Brush. Yeah, pick that up. If I shake it a bit, I lose it. All right, if I get the angle right. Washer. Oh. Nope. Nope. Screw. Yeah, got that. Okay, so it managed to pick them all up apart from the washer, which I expect. Nah, not going to be able to pick that up. Handy for little things though, like that screw. Okay, this fella, which has the advantage of being a little bit wider. So yeah, it lifts up. It did lift it up, dropped it again. I probably wasn't gripping it hard enough. Yeah, I can shake it a bit now. Eventually we drop it. Can we turn it on its side? And then grip it like the other one. Okay, so we got that okay. That okay. Screw. Right. Didn't notice that. This one's got a magnet on the end. Only a tiny magnet, but it has picked up the screw without me even trying to grip it. Let's see if we can actually get it without catching it on the magnet. No, the magnet's grabbing it each time, which is handy. So that's a handy extra. The other one doesn't have a magnet on it. Magnet, magnet. Okay, let's go and find that ball that went shooting off. Right, found it. So, ball. I've got to say, I mean, the more expensive ones do feel more robust. Then one other little thing, we can twist it. So if you need to turn it sideways to pick something up, you can do that. And the other ones are the same. We can twist that round. So with that way or that way. And they had trouble, didn't they, picking the ball up? Got it. So, yeah, the next test will be how long it actually survives before it breaks. And what broke was in here, the plastic trigger broke. I'll put a link to the original video. Rather than do a tear down on this one, I'll put a link in the video description so you can see what I did taking it apart and how I did a fix on it, which I didn't actually expect to last long, but it certainly lasted long enough for me to continue using it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.